Hey everyone, this is Billy. I'm a co-founder at SkyKey, and today we're going to be walking through where to find and how to use our Alaska Airlines credits. So first, where can we find our credits? Once we're logged into our account, you'll see this blue drop-down with your initial in it. Click on that, and then click Wallet. Once the wallet page loads, you'll see any credits that SkyKey gets you sitting right here. However, if you don't see your credit for whatever reason, just click on this view or deposit a certificate. And from here, you'll want to reference an email from Alaska Airlines about the flight that you got the savings on. And within that email from Alaska, you should see a certificate code as well as a certificate PIN. Just fill those in and then click this blue deposit certificate button. Once you've clicked the blue deposit certificate button, you can go back to your wallet and you should see the credit sitting right here. So for example, if SkyKey gets you $100 of savings on a flight, you should see the $100 credit sitting right here. Okay, next, how do we actually use these credits to reduce the cost of future flights that we book? It's actually pretty simple, and all you have to do is book a new flight. So I'm gonna click this menu and then click book on Alaska. And then from here, it's gonna let us search for a flight. I'm just gonna search for a random flight, but if I were you, I would search for the flight you're actually trying to book. So this is perfect for an example. Once we click search flights, everything else is gonna be the exact same process. So I'll just select a random flight, add to cart, and then we're gonna click continue to checkout. We're trying to get to the very last section, and that's where we can apply our credits. So click continue through here. We're gonna skip seats. Okay, once we're at the review your trip section, this is where we want to pay attention. So scroll down, keep scrolling. Scroll past the choose payment method. This is not the section we're focused on today. And go to the pay with section. Within the pay with section, you'll see this plus button to add a gift certificate / card. Click on this add a gift certificate / card button. And if you have credits sitting in your Alaska wallet from the previous step we went through, you should see your credits automatically pull in here, and you can just select your credits and apply them. Again, if you don't see your credit or you don't have an Alaska Airlines account, just reference the email that Alaska Airlines sent you for the flight that you got the savings on, and it will contain a certificate code and or PIN. And so just type in the certificate code, type in the PIN, click apply. Once you've selected the credits you want to apply, you'll see the cost of this flight get reduced. So for example, if SkyKey got you $100 of savings on a flight and you applied all of those credits on this flight, then you would see the $328.40 price get reduced by $100. So you would only pay $228.40. Hopefully that helps, but if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@theskykey.com. Thank you.